Today I'm going to show you how to work a brioche centered 5 to 5 star stitch. I will warn you this stitch is a little finicky, but it looks really cool when it's done. So to start, while holding the working yarn to the back, I'm going to slip stitch 1 with its yarn over shawl knitwise, slip stitch 2 knitwise. I'm going to place stitch 3 with its yarn over shawl on a holder. I like to use these cable hooks. And then I'm going to work a 4-stitch increase into stitch 4. So I'm going to work a knit, yarn over, knit, yarn over, knit into stitch 4. Next, I'm going to pass stitch 2 over all 5 stitches. Transfer those 5 stitches to the left needle. And pass stitch 5 over. Transfer the 5 back to the right needle. And pass stitch 1 over. I'm going to place stitch 3 back on the left needle. Transfer those 5 stitches to the left needle. Oops. And pass stitch 3 over carefully. And then move the 5 stitches back to the right needle. And you are done.